Hello and welcome everyone, and this is really about to show you here how we merge vectors. First, what you're gonna do, if you see here that you have, for example, a square as sorry, a triangle and circle, and another vector is really about like to a rectangle and the circle. Okay, now what you're gonna do is about select those two and start to go to make them flattened. Okay, now this another one which is really to making the flattened. And this what we gonna do is about to go with to make a boolean and union. So when we take them all, we go here and then start to make a boolean. Okay, so what kind of is it? Each is really called union, as you can see, and this is really how it works through making them, adjusting them. And you can start also to flatten them if you are done, and that is all about